important things which are planned with the lecturers.
That's fine. You will.
Okay, now I am going to on my WhatsApp whatever questions means whatever you want to like to ask our lecturers, anything. See, I am not going to be as formal as they are. I am going very deep and I will go very personal. I am very stupid person. So anything you want, you can WhatsApp me. I'll be checking my WhatsApp and asking questions. Meanwhile, with my knowledge and with some of our friends, we prepared some stupid questions which we are going to ask our lecturers. So in between, keep WhatsApping me. I will be asking lectures. So whom to start? Sir, many girls are waiting for my number. So I'm not.
And this is gonna reveal many facts of the.
I'll use the one.
This can reveal many facts from the faculty. So be ready and
Note down.
whom we are gonna welcome first.
Shashi sir!
So as requested by students, Shashi sir, can you please come?
No.
Hot seat.
I'll start.
कौन बनेगा गरुड़पति?
Which aspect are you interested the most, sir? No, this is not the question, but which kind of questions? Tan accounts,
You said stupid questions. End of the day, any stupid question? So, there is no stupidity in terms of classifying. That's okay. That's okay. So, I'm okay with any category.
So, firstly, we are not going to go that stupid. So, what is your deep dark secret which you want to share with us? If we have any?
Dark secrets are not meant to be shared.
I'm a Kuchipudi dancer.
Small steps,
I
sir.
said only to share, not to share.
And the next question is, who's the last person who you texted?
I didn't get it.
Who's the last person who you texted to?
99.9% of the time it will be Sangamesh sir. So, almost. On that.
Your life in one word by
Myself.
Like this, like me, myself and my selfie.
So that would be better than that answer will take it as always you will take 1 half around. Want something you always wanted to do but you couldn't?
Politics.
We will watch it.
Politics in the sense? You want to be what?
Active politics.
Huh?
Active politics.
We are not so intelligent to get this. We are not serious yet.
Not say politics, real life politics. I mean to say, okay, I will become chief minister. Is that okay? Okay. Otherwise, that's like a joke, obviously. Astronaut.
Small claps.
So some people have some doubt. I just got a message. Are you inspired by Devadas in
You
giving
didn't get any message because you
some messages I got ahead. Are you inspired by Devadas?
Confidential.
Sir, my WhatsApp I can't share it now.
Okay, ask the question.
Are you inspired by Devadas in that beard styles thing? Having big beard.
I didn't get it.
Are you addicted to something? Are you a love failure or something? Yeah.
In fact, that is probably one of the things I wanted to be but I could not. That's the continuation of the previous question. Probably I wanted to be a failure, but didn't happen.
Successful?
You're successful.
Because I didn't do anything. There is no point of failure also.
First crush? At what age or with whom?
I can't remember, right? It's like maybe 20, 22 people.
First question.
22 people, you can't remember one name also, sir.
You want the names?
One name. By age at which? Age. Your age at which you are.
Maybe the second standard. said crush. So that was okay.
What's something you never wanted to do but you have done?
I never wanted to do, but still I have done. Attending marriages and functions.
Seriously, what is your arranged marriage, sir?
Arranged
Arranged
marriage.
marriage? So, there are not many coming. I think people are not actively participating, but yes, I have.
I am fast enough to answer all your questions.
Hey!
You are not catching up my pace.
But questions have not come for you, sir. But that's mostly the costing, sir. They are. So, by time being, you can sit, but there is another one for you for questions.
For me?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Thank you.
Good.
So, who should come next?
Costing sir!
Mention it, costing faculty, sir.
Yes, costing faculty should come now.
Only costing faculty. Later on FM faculty. Not FM faculty.
Yeah, the FM faculty has gone for vacation.
No, he's not.
Yes.
Okay, sir. First question for you. If you would have been circus, what would you do?
Sad clown.
Sad clown.
Yeah.
Sad
What you
clown.
do in class, sir?
That's why I'm better suited to become a sad clown.
Sir.
Can you describe your life in one word, one single word?
Uncertainty.
See, this is a real question coming from WhatsApp. for you, sir. Sir, what is the reason behind this? Change your name. See, this one, checking your nails, checking your nails.
Fingers. Hands and fingers.
I went for a manicure. I attended typing classes for a month and from then onwards it stuck to me. I keep on doing this.
Sir, do you have any crush?
Many.
At what age you had the first crush?
I think I was in UKG. Wanted to sit beside.
Love story?
Nothing, no love stories.
Sir, little bit of smile.
For the camera.
Sir, actually, I thought of giving you a task because we all have plan off, but Shashi sir has performed his task. But your thing is something special which we are planning to. We'll give you one answer. We want you to express in different moods the same thing.
Yeah.
Now it's
Let
Let me share an experience with you. Okay, in my first job, I was part of an induction team. I mean, we were chartered accountants. There were BTech graduates, MTechs, and MBAs and all. So it was a group of 40 people. So after the induction, at the end, they created an award saying that, okay, this is the award we are going to give to this particular person, okay, who doesn't have any expression at all.
I am really able to note your experience.
Whatever said, okay, there is no expression. Even if a joke is cracked, or if somebody scolded, even then, I mean, if somebody
Constant.
scolded the entire class, still.
Concept.
This is the expression, so they gave me
Poker face.
an award only for a person who is not having any expression. So,
Sir, but Champs needs to know. See, I will say the line. It's better to take it in 2-3 ways. It's a Telugu line, and
no, I don't think I can perform.
You can.
Answer.
Some people can't.
Can
means Next.
Sir, that's the most important thing of the show.
Everything is
We want to
possible.
take out the hidden talent from you.
Sir, I will help you out in expressions.
Yeah.
No expression has all expression.
Sir,
Anything else?
That's why.
silence does not amount to acceptance.
So,
Before all the questions complete, you have to perform, sir. There are a list of questions for you. What is the reason behind your phone still using the old model phone?
why that old phone?
Your phone still a small phone, not an Android one, not
Yeah,
a
smartphone, not a
not
smart.
smart.
Smart people don't need smartphone.
I asked you this before once. Yes. The same thing which I asked before once. Once while we are out.
I don't
Sir, when are you going to get?
I don't know. So it happens when it happens.
Sir, once the same thing, you out of happiness. నాకు పెళ్లి కుదిరిందని గట్టి చెప్పండి సార్.
ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఆ వార్త వినగానే ఫేస్ డల్ అయిపోతుంది.
Any experiences for you, sir?
Is it like నాకు పెళ్లి కుదిరింది నాకు కూడా పెళ్లి కుదిరింది?
Once can you?
అదే too much.
ఆదరాబాద్ అసలు జీవితం మొత్తం పోయింది.
Uncertain life. Mine.
నాకు పెళ్ళి అయిపోతుంది.
Aren't you bored of bachelor life? Aren't you bored of bachelor life?
Bored of? No, definitely not.
So again, what is that secret behind reading Kindle in laptop, not viewing movies or something? You'll be reading novels in laptop every time. Those also not any fiction novels.
Non-fiction.
We heard that you will not read fiction novels and you will read something.
There is no such thing called non-fiction novels. Novels are fiction. So novels are fiction.
What kind of novels do you read?
It's not novels that I read. I read non-fiction.
Intelligent answer by Zion. But we are still students. That's it, sir. We'll call you again. So, not many questions for long, but ma'am, please.
But we have, yeah.
Ma'am, what's your nickname?
Nickname. My mom calls me Faru. My name is Farheen and so short form is Faru. That's
And the same question, can you describe your life in single word?
constant.
What's the most embarrassing that had happened to you? Embarrassing thing that had happened to you?
Embarrassing? No, I was always prepared not to be embarrassed, so nothing happened.
Last song which was stuck in your mind. Song which was last stuck in your mind.
Okay, I got into my mind. One song what Sasi sir has told me. Just now. I have already sung, sir. No point.
Other than that, before that.
No. I was having many other professional commitments only.
Ma'am, do you have any phobias? Like, are you scared of anything?
Scared of?
Definitely.
Maheshwari. No, I am not. I like Maheshwari a lot. Thank you.
Some height fear or water natural calamity.
Natural calamity. Tsunami.
It's like CPT, ABCD answers are there.
Something else.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, we are going to welcome Ravi, sir. So, can you do any impressions of like celebrities and all?
Celebrities?
Impressions of them?
Yeah, I can do.
Nana Patekar.
Nana Patekar. Yes, I don't remember exactly.
Paresh Rawal.
Yeah, I can do few. Balaya is very easy. Balaya is definitely done. And Chiranjeevi also I can do. Mostly from yeah, yes sir. That's okay. It's like I'm not too good in that because my general expression is mostly from Telugu speaking actors, not so much into the Hindi. Mostly from English as well, of course, but yeah. Chiranjeevi, mokke kada ni peekave. Peeka costa. It's okay, right? Balaya. With the dialogue also, that's not good. మీ ఇంటికి వచ్చా మీ నట్టింటికి వచ్చా That is you know who generally that would be anyway, yeah.
Sir, as we have something for Roshan, so we also learn from you. We know that you can talk well and you have great power of giving expressions. So now, without opening your mouth, we only by facial expressions, what we say you have to communicate to express. You want to propose to someone. You are in urgent mood to go somewhere or something. And you are stuck and you want to say, and you are in a class, you have to give the lecture, and you are something urgent is there for you. You have something urgent. You have some urgency. Reason behind your hairstyle, why that long? You look like Farhan Akhtar, by the way.
Yeah, there is no reason behind that, but few people who know me or who knew me earlier, this was not the getup.
Yes. We saw it.
There is no specific reason, it's just moving on. That's it.
You never got tired of doing something. What's that? You never got tired of doing something.
Never got tired of interacting with people. I never get tired of it. Irrespective of their age. That's important.
What's the weirdest expression that you can put on your face?
Weirdest expression?
Weirdest expression.
I think I do that every class. Something like that.
So once excellent, once you say excellent, your word that you keep saying excellent. Excellent.
Oh, you want that? Yes. You know what? You're doing excellent.
What's your love story in your life?
I didn't get you, sorry.
Love story or crush in your life?
No, never. Yeah, I mean, Rita Hayworth, I don't know whether you know it or not. That's why I told her, so that's what.
Common question for our life in one word.
Life.
So, thank you, sir. You will be called once again. And,
Again?
Yes. Yeah.
All right.
I think so.
Thank you.
Yes, now let's invite Habib, sir.
But what I thought was it is completely reverse. When I came from office, I joined here to enjoy with you, but you people are doing it. It's like a ragging. It reminded me of this.
Exactly, sir. Life is uncertain.
That is called business process reengineering.
Actually, we did this, and while I was in graduation, actually, it is a residential college. We did ragging like this. When junior joins,
Sir, do you feel this is ragging you?
just reminded those days.
Sir, this is the first question. Did you ever fail in a test? In a test, any exam? Do you ever fail?
Yeah, failed. So many
Which
times.
was that subject, sir? You failed?
Not subject, you don't ask me. I failed, but I took it as a success. I believe that failure is not a failure if you learn from it.
So the next question is, sir, did you ever pretend to basically like to bunk a college or bunk school? Did you ever pretend to
No,
basically?
I am a very, very sincere student. I never did that one.
Please learn from sir.
100%. No. Even there are the days only 2-3 people. In that one, I am one among that one student.
Who is the most closest person in your life?
Closest person, my mommy.
Were you ever forced to do something which you don't want to? Were you ever forced by someone to do something which you don't want to do?
So far, not like that.
These questions.
This also I am accepting. Believe I am not forceful.
What's your favorite quotation?
Quotation.
Gandhiji is a...
No.
So we answer.
Favorite quotation you want? I believe that time. There is one sentence in management. Time is a great judge. It will solve everything. It will solve everything. That is a great judge. That is my favorite quotation.
Thank you, sir. And the last question is the same. What do you describe your life in one word?
Describe. I will describe life as life is a process of learning. There is no end for that.
Only one word, sir?
Yeah.
Only one word.
One word means
Your life.
same one with this unexpected, uncertainty.
Uncertainty.
Anything? Okay, before this, I just share one thing.
Yes.
So that is relating to personality development. So you see so many words in personality development: hard working, smart working, sincerity, attitude, motivation, all these things. So in all those words, we are all striving to get 100 marks. We are all 100% always. But in personality development, only one word, that is attitude, that will only get 100 marks. Hard working gets 98, attitude only gets 100 marks. A for 1 like that. Attitude. Right? Thank you.
So Sorry to trouble you again, sir, but someone sir, please come again. Sir, this is for questions, sir. Sir, people want to know, sir. Champs want to know about you. Yes, sir. We'll come only once. You should come once.
Only once at a time. They call once, that means.
But you are making me on the other side. I thought, yeah, same thing. Okay.
What's something you've really been proud of yourself?
What's something I've been really
Proud of yourself.
being myself?
Being yourself. What's something you're really bad at?
What I'm really bad at? I'm really bad at bad things.
That's a philosophical answer.
It's a one word answer, that's all. You have to think. No explanation.
The thing that your teacher imposed you and you're trying to impose on us. What's that?
Teacher imposed
Your teacher
on
have
me.
imposed on you and you're not trying to impose on us.
Rather, I can say I'm trying to impose what I never did in my life.
What's your life motto, sir?
My life's motto. I think we are already living our motto.
The reason behind being simple or being not so very, see, there's something you don't want to exhibit yourselves out, and you want to be simple, even coming to your dressing or way you be around. What's the reason behind that?
I strongly believe life is simple and we tend to make it complex. So, we are not simple. we are not simple.
So I know you are a great person in taking admissions, but yes, sir, you make very good admissions in the college.
I thought I'm giving admissions, not taking it.
So now there is someone who is coming for you. They want an admission. They don't know Hindi. They don't know English. They don't know pure Telugu. They only Telangana. Only Telangana. And you should come only in Telangana with us.
Okay, first of all, many people may not know my.
Telangana also have Telugu. Telugu in the
Only Telangana yasa.
Simple. The credit of Telugu goes to Shashi sir because we watched around 400 movies to learn Telugu. My mother tongue is not Telugu. My mother tongue is Kannada, right? So I have learned Telugu to run a particular business or people to belong there. So it's tough for me to talk in Telangana accent. Excuse me for that.
But one person comes and talks to you in Telangana. How do you answer that? We want to see them.
If you can ask me something, I will try to answer it. Nobody can ask me.
Maheshwari will come and ask.
You can ask from there. It's okay, you can ask. You're loud and clear. Ask.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు అసలు ఇంకేం రాదు తెలుగు మాట్లాడడం తప్ప నా యాస అంతా తెలంగాణ ఇక అసలు ఏంది ఇప్పుడు మా పిల్లలు వస్తారు
ఏందబ్బా ఏందది
చూడండి సారు మీకు విషయం చెప్తా నేను
ఏందో
నాకు
చూడాలి
ఇల్లు వస్తది.
If you have anything else, I stand.
And the last question, can you describe every faculty here in one word?
Every faculty in one word.
Champs.
I can. It's a team.
Like,
Team
Yuva
champs.
ma'am in one word.
Team
Shashi
champs.
in one word. Shashi sir in one word. Sorry, sir.
Oh, all the faculty in one word.
Yes.
It's very tough. But
Words for Moti sir.
Murthy sir I can call.
Causing an effect.
Murthy sir is a genius.
English.
Korean madam, as she explained, constant. She's always stable. And you should learn like that. I can say constant. I can relate the word to her.
Yes.
Pradeep sir I can call, say, fountain of knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Pradeep sir, as he is sitting, exactly the picture states, he is the Everest. Habib sir is like, say, he's like a social lab. Everybody can share him, his knowledge.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for knowledge.
What's the reason behind your wearing daily white shirt?
White shirt is like it tends to absorb all the colors and reflect only white. So it will absorb everything.
Yes, FM faculty is missing.
He's on a vacation.
He's on a vacation.
If you want to play, sir.
Sir, why does costing faculty hate FM faculty? Why scold him in our class? Once everybody over here wants to listen. Sanamay sir want to take some action so that you are saying something about the FM faculty. You want to listen what I was saying.
No. Now you are talking to the costing faculty or FM faculty?
With FM faculty we'll talk in a different way. It's about costing faculty.
No, I don't want to say anything about the FM faculty because whatever I said you told to him.
No one will let out of this room. Everything will be in this room only. Whatever you say about FM faculty. Turn the mic on.
You already told him whatever I said.
Sir, I only said you scold, you will go against, you use bad words against him. What are those? People want to know, sir. Champs want to know. Sir. You are students, sir.
It's not a bad word. I just called him a
Okay, now
little
what is
psycho.
that?
Yes. Why is he psycho?
You tell me. You bear him.
Sir, you know him better, no, sir. You stay day and night with him.
Eating together, sleeping
But I've never seen him when I was taking a class. I think you were seeing him when he was taking the class.
So generally you both look to take entertainment in class. While you are taking costume class, you relate FM.
Nah, something.
Do you want to come, sir? Okay, we'll call you again. Now, back again to public transportation.
Thank you very much.
Next there's a song by Aslam we want to dedicate to us. So, welcome.
Song is from My Name is Khan, Tere Naina. Is it okay?
Yeah.
This song Shahrukh will sing for Kajal.
You are singing for?
You are singing for your Kajal. Not yet. This is for my mother.
Kajal is
I choose this song only for my mother. All no claps in between. All meaningful lyrics. You can only just listen. Afterwards you can.
okay.
तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे 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 नैनों की चाल है मखमली हाल है नीचे पलकों से बदले समा नैना शर्माए जो या फिगर आए जो थम के रुक जाए दोनों जहां रब की नेमत है तेरी निगाहें जिसमें बसती है उसकी दुआएं ओ ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए ओ तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे। आहत ख्वाबों की चाहत धड़कन की, उनके कदमों के है ये निशान। चाहे कुछ ना बोलूं चाहे राज न खोलूं, ये समझते हैं मेरी जुबान। मुझ पे बरसी है जो तेरी निगाहें, मेरी सांसों ने बदली अदाएं, मेरी सांसों ने बदली अदाएं। ओ ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए। ओ तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे। तेरे नैना राहें सजा दे, तेरे नैना धड़कन को बढ़ा दे, तेरे नैना पलकों में समा ले वल्ला। जख्म पे मरहम तेरे नैना, धूल पे शबनम तेरे नैना, जग भूले भूले तेरे नैना, दिल छूले छूले तेरे नैना। तेरे नैनों के आगे जो तारे भी शर्माए, पानी सनी सनी दा पनी दा मगर ऐसा। तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे।
The last thing which I forgot while I'm doing that, thanks for bearing with the stupid person. Sorry if someone has feel something. Well, I'll just talk what Champs needs to know. I just talk what they want to know. Okay? That is the last.
So now let's give a break to the faculty and we shall involve the students now. Now there's a skit by Narasimha and Prabhas.
के बाद कट करके वापस दूसरा लगा ले।